Hey, what's up guys? In this video, I'll be showing you how you can access a free Windows 10 virtual machine in your browser without using a credit card. For this tutorial, I'm using an Android tablet, but you can use any device like your computer or mobile phone. The virtual machine can be accessed from Microsoft Learn, which means it is completely safe to use. So let's start the tutorial. First, open your browser, which in my case is Chrome, and paste the link in the search bar. You can find the link in the description of this video. Sign in on or create your account and then click on the Launch VM Mode button. It will tell you to verify if you're human, and when you have completed the test, the VM will load and it will show you an administrator login. Click on the Resources button and copy and paste the password and login. This VM is quite powerful and has got internet access too. It has 12 GB of RAM and the CPU has 6 virtual processors, which is suitable for running resource-intensive programs. You can also install anything on this, but its only downside is that it is limited to 2 hours. So that's it guys, the tutorial is complete, and before you go, let me tell you that it takes a lot of effort to find such VMs online, so please consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.